Muscle building vs strength training. What's the real difference? Checkmark. Muscle building, also called hypertrophy, focuses on increasing muscle size. Your goal is, look bigger, more defined, more muscular. Think, bodybuilders, fitness models, or aesthetic-focused athletes. Checkmark. Strength training, on the other hand, is all about increasing force output, in simpler terms, getting stronger. Your goal is, lift heavier weights, improve performance, get powerful. Think, powerlifters, Olympic weightlifters, athletes. The difference isn't just about appearance. It's how you train, eat, and recover. Man lifting weights. Muscle building workouts, hypertrophy, reps, 6 to 12 per set sets, 3 to 5 per exercise. Rest time, 30 to 90 seconds. Focus, time under tension, moderate to heavy weight. Examples, dumbbell curls, leg press, bench press for reps. Training split, push, pull, legs or upper, lower. Fire goal, muscle fatigue in maximum pump. Collision. Strength training workouts, reps, 1 to 5 per set sets, 3 to 6 plus with heavy weights, 80 to 95% of one representative max. Rest time, 2 to 5 minutes between sets. Focus, low reps, high load, full body power. Examples, squats, deadlifts, bench press, overhead press. Training split, full body or powerlifting style. High voltage goal, lift as much weight as possible, build neurological strength. Brain. With strength training, you may not look much bigger, but your numbers will skyrocket. You'll feel stronger, joints more stable, and core more powerful. Biceps. With muscle building, you may not lift massive weights, but you'll look leaner, fuller, and more defined. Think visible abs, capped shoulders, and wider arms. Want both? You can train in phases or mix both styles into your weekly routine. Bullseye. Choose muscle building if you want a lean, muscular physique. You care more about appearance than performance. You're okay with moderate strength increases. Bullseye. Choose strength training if you want to lift heavy. You're an athlete. You're focused on numbers, not aesthetics. Light bulb pro tip: you don't have to choose just one. Many lifters use periodization, alternating between strength blocks and hypertrophy blocks. Now you know the difference between training for size and training for strength. Whichever path you take, consistency, nutrition, and recovery are non-negotiable. So get in the gym, stay focused, and train smart. Push pin like this video? Thumbs up. Smash the like button. Loudspeaker. Subscribe for more no-nonsense fitness content. Bell, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload.